Have you noticed any weird growth on your azalea or camellia bushes this spring? This is a leaf gall that is caused by a fungal pathogen, and it causes this weird fleshy growth on the leaves. Now, something that typically looks like this can turn into this fleshy gall. Now, again, this is a fungus that causes this disease on the plants, and the best way that we can prevent this from happening is by actually utilizing good spacing in between our plantings to provide good airflow. Now, what does fungus like? It likes nice, cool temperatures with wet moisture. So this spring has been an ideal time for this to happen because we've had a cooler, wetter winter than typically. So in the spring, you'll notice this just after flowering, this will be on the leaves. Now, the best way to take care of this is to remove all of this material. After your azaleas have bloomed, you can go ahead and cut these out. Now, what you want to do is be sure that you pick all of this material up and throw it away. Don't leave the leaf litter on the ground. That'll keep it spreading. Now, fungal diseases pass by the air, and as you can hear by the wind, that these spores can move very easily through air circulation or air movement and through water movement. So cultural practices are the best. We can utilize fungicides when we see bud break if this has been a concern in the past. Look for fungicides that are used for fire blight. But the best thing we can do is clean up those leaves, destroy them, and keep an eye on the plant. It's going to be just fine. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.